Hello everyone. I'm just making this short video now because it's really cold out. It's cold. I'm freezing. It's really not warm. It's very cold. I'm showing you around. So it's very cold. So I'm just going back home inside. So I'll make another video later on. Yeah, it's so cold. It's freezing. Oh my god, I can't stay too long. My hands are freezing. My mind is freezing. So anyway, I'll make another video later on. So that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe me over here. See you. Thanks. Subscribe me over here. And YouTube. Oh my god, it's cold. It's freezing. Bye.